In my previous video, I mentioned that F.A.I.R transformational technique, it's not a talk therapy. Because as Nikola Tesla stated, every time you talk about something, I will add someone else as well, that whatever you talk about evolves, grows, becomes bigger, and even more installed into your psyche, does not go anywhere. So the idea is that every time you talk about something, you are giving your own energy to that something. And you're losing that energy by giving it to them. So every time you talk about your enemy or problem, you're feeding that enemy and a problem with your own energy while you are becoming weaker from the same amount of energy that you are giving them. Same thing with suppressing content like emotions, defeating messages, whatever is that's bothering you right now. So what we do in F.A.I.R transformational technique, it's a set of questions. They're set up that way. They're taking you deeper and deeper into your unconscious. And the deeper you go into your unconscious, you release the energy that till that point you were using for suppression and repression. So all of a sudden, that suppressed content pops up on the surface in here and now. You are finally dealing with it. You are accepting it, admitting it, experiencing it completely, and integrating it. And then it's gone forever. Then it's no longer part of your reality. But for as long as you're suppressing it, repressing it, until you suppress and suppress, it's going to be continuation of the same story into your life over and over again until you completely integrate energy of emotional charge from it. So through the set of questions that we ask the client, we get the answer from the client, we write down that answer, and then we serve that answer back to the client until that client removes completely energy of emotional charge or that intensive tension from the answer. And when there's no tension or energy of emotional charge, then there's no reason for existence of that content, that it's an empty content, doesn't mean anything anymore to you. Something that was stressful to that point before you start a session literally means nothing to you after that. Of course, after that, there's a small session, part of a session, it also has some part of a clinical hypnosis. That's another thing I'm going to talk about some other time. But what we do is literally remove energy of emotional charge or that intensive